Hey guys, it's Rolando, your credit coach, with a credit fact. Someone asked me, in order to have a 720, does that mean you have to have no debt? You see, I know 720 is a perfect credit score. Does that mean he or she who has a 720 credit score has no debt? And I feel that is a great question. Someone with a 720 does not mean they have no debt. They just know how to manage their debt, whether it's credit card debt or whether it's installment debt. As long as it's being paid on time, does not affect the credit score whether you have high balances or not. What affects the most is credit card debt. Remember guys, as I've always said, the higher the balances, the lower the credit scores. But that individual with a 720 or higher credit score always, and I say always, has a credit cards under 10%. Because if you max them out or they increase over 35%, you lose points. And simply paying down that credit card is not going to give you the same amount of points that you lost. So having a 720 does not necessarily mean you don't have any debt. They just know how to manage the credit card debt. So I hope I was able to answer that question and give you a little bit of an idea as to what it takes to have a 720 credit score. All it is one word: management. See you guys soon.